I walked into the building here this morning and the security guards were amped up. I can only imagine the players. Welcome to EA Sports. Centers both set to dig on in, and we are about ready to go. The Heat have won the opening faceoff and take possession here at the start. Granlund's got the puck. Stops him cold. Puck is frozen, and we get a stoppage in play. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. Still looking for our first goal. Granlund's won the draw, and they're on the attack. Slides the puck over. Oh, that hits the cage! That's using your head. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Dishes it off. Las Vegas looks to move the puck from their own end. On the attack along the boards. Oh, club save and a beauty! Goaltender covers it up, and we'll get a reset here. Granlund's won the draw. Here's a short pass to Heponiemi. Cuts to the front. Decides to think about it. Gains the zone from the right side. Shot. Big save in front.
Well, this is such a quick shot that comes from the slot that you have to have good reflexes to be able to make that glove save.
Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. Still no score in this one. Anchorage has won the face-off deep in their own end. Through center. Oh, look at this. Moves inside. Stopped by the goaltender.
Reaction time is so critical for goaltenders because the way the players shoot in this game today, man, it is so tough to stop. So this one, instincts. Glove goes up, makes the save.
Anchorage has won the face-off. Sends the pass over. Las Vegas is across the blue line. And that's a great heads-up play in the offensive zone. Maintains control of the puck. Moves it quickly over to Dioniccio. Along the half wall with the puck. And he slides it quickly to Vatanen. Goes right to the crease. Stopped by the goaltender. In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. Here in the back half of this period, we're still scoreless. The Blizzards win the draw. Takes the pass. Las Vegas gains a hold of it. Scrum along the boards. Forces the turnover. Anchorage has gained possession along the boards. Greco's looking to make something happen here in the corner. Shuts him down.
Well, a great scoring chance taken away from the inner slot because he's so aggressive and gets to the top of his crease.
Face-off looming as both centers get into position. Richard's quick stick off the draw wins possession. Grabs the puck here in the neutral zone. Swatted away with the stick in the defensive zone. Passes it in front, and it's blocked. Quick pass to Mueller. He carries the puck up along the wing. Here's a shot. No room for that one to get through. Moves it to Juris. Takes it from the right side. Takes a shot. Denied by the goaltender. Quick pass over to Delimont. Handles the pass. Mueller's going to play it from the back of the cage. Anchorage is playing it from the side. Works it across to Delimont. Now a quick pass to Hofer. Oh, how did he get a glove on that? What a stop by Ranta. Just here in the late stages of this frame, the game is still scoreless. Less than a minute to go here in the opening frame. And they're off to the races for the loose puck. great stretch passes and connects. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle. Well, fun start to this one as period number 1 comes to an end. We've still got lots more still in store. Kids are coming out on the ice here to play the little mini prospects game, and we'll be back with more. Well, let's see what period 2 has in store for us as they are about to drop the puck. Still looking for the game's first goal as we are underway in the second. There's the whistle. Offside is the call. Still plenty of time left in this frame. We've still got zeros on the board. Granlund's won the draw at center. Las Vegas brings the puck in from center. Here's a chance in front. Oh, and they couldn't complete that. From the left side, they enter the attacking zone. Great reach with the poke check. The Blizzards take it along the wall. Jostling for the puck, and he loses control. Great save by Raja. Quick feed to Anderson. Here's a shot. Makes the save. Ref blows the whistle as the puck's covered up. Centers glide into the dots. We're ready to get things back going again. Granlund's won it off the faceoff. Las Vegas with possession in their own zone. Here they come on the attack. Just gets enough to keep it out. Anchorage has got the puck along the boards.
Greco's determination on the puck, even though he stumbled and has allowed, really shows right there, James, as he finds a way to get. Feeds the puck. Has a great goaltender who understands where the threats are, and this one's in the slot area, and he manages to get to position and make the save.
Las Vegas plays it along the wing. Oh, great core strength to hang on to the puck after that. Bruner's got it on the offensive end. And they continue to apply pressure here. From center, they get into the attacking area. Quick shot! Blocked in traffic. And a great save!
Well, players should never be left alone in the slot, but man, is the goaltender to task here. Gets out in front of it and makes the save.
Passes on over to Greco. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. And now he moves it quickly to Richard. Unable to reach that one. And the puck's knocked loose. Richard's got to scores! The deadlock broken as we finally see the game's first goal. Will it hold up now?
Now we're in the second half of the game, so it certainly took a while, James. And I don't think you change your mindset now that you have the lead. You got to continue to attack and try and put in another one.
Las Vegas has taken a 1-0 lead here in period number 2. It certainly isn't for a lack of trying, though, Cheryl.
Yeah, they've been all over the ice. There's been a real consistent effort, and I've liked the aggressive nature of their play. They've been driving lanes. They've been attacking seams. They just haven't been able to finish, and they do it.
He scores! All over the rebound, and he taps it in.
To the net, and this rebound comes right back out to him, but he's tracking, he's sniffing, he's hounding, and he finds the back of the net on the second shot.
Las Vegas makes it a 2-0 lead, and they want to continue the tempo that they're playing right now, right, Cheryl?
Oh, yeah. I mean, they want to continue to press. They've been throwing everything at the goaltender. Sometimes I was thinking they need a better look, but nonetheless, they cause a scramble when they do it, and it's been all about them today. They've had a strong performance, and they're leading by 2.
The Blizzards gain possession. Grabs it in his own end. Lays into the body. Anchorage has regained possession of the puck.
But you got to give him an A for effort. I mean, he's clearly banged up, James, but he's trying to stay in the play even though he's struggling.
Takes a hit. He goes down to the ice and coughs up the puck. Las Vegas looks to break out in their own end. Takes the feed in the middle of the ice. Oh, what a save on the scores! Picks up the loose change and puts it into the back of the net.
That brings new meaning to execution in small spaces, James, and it's not just on the forehand. He moves it to the backhand for a beautiful deep to beat the goaltender.
Las Vegas leads it by 3, and here we are in the late goings of period number 2. Cheryl, if they can hold this to the intermission, this is going to be a real tough comeback in the third.
Oh, it's going to be a rout. I mean, just look at them. They have jumped to their game, James. They are all over their opponent, who is looking very deflated right now. So they got to continue the press. They got to continue attack and do exactly what they're doing by putting pucks to net.
That other bench looks beaten up right now. There's the buzzer. 2 periods down. 1 more to go. They always say 3 is the magic number. We've got period number 3 next.
The Blizzards are going to need to find a way to manipulate their roster construction here as they're down a player now. That's a tough loss. They're going to have to figure out a way to manage it.
Thanks for that update, Cheryl, and you're right. A tough loss indeed. Anchorage has got the puck along the wall. Great pressure with the stick. Takes a hit but still hangs on to the puck. The Heat have gained possession and makes the routine save. And he takes the dish. Takes the feed from his own end.
Great vision to see that stretch pass.
Knocked away in the offensive zone. Feeds the puck over to Heponiemi. They gain the offensive zone from the middle. Fires it on net. Gives them nothing in front.
That's a fantastic save by the goaltender, but his team has to do a better job of protecting the middle of the ice. Those high-danger scoring chances eventually go in.
Las Vegas continues to lead early in this third period. Big story tonight for them. Their offense came to play. Here he is, wristed on net. Stopped by the goaltender.
This is a really nice save, James. I mean, the shooter's in the middle of the ice. He's in the slot area, and he's got to get to the top of the crease, square to the puck, to be able to make that save. Great job.
Las Vegas coaches have to be impressed with what they've seen from their players tonight. They have really attacked offensively and delivered. Maintains possession of the puck along the blue line. Juarez has it in the defensive end. Into the offensive zone. Shot! Oh, what a save in front! We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period, and the ice has been tilted to this point. 3-0 is where we sit right now. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Pushes it across to Heponiemi. That's a solid check on the play. Anchorage has got him along the wall. Oh, they telegraph the pass, and he picks it off. Nice feed from the left side up the middle. Anderson's into the offensive zone now on the attack. Las Vegas takes possession of the puck. Here's a short pass to Bernie. Moves into the slot. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Moves the puck along the half wall. Snaps one here in the slot. Big save.
Well, these are the saves when you know that your goaltender is dialed in, James. The ability to get to the top of the crease and be square to the shooter, that's a great save.
Tries to get the puck over to Dioniccio. Quick pass to Greco. Forces the turnover in the neutral zone.
Las Vegas is ahead in this game in large part because of their third line. If you want a complete game, you need production from your third line. They've done a great job tonight, and the reason why they're in the lead.
Cuts into the paint. Jostles for the puck, but still hangs on. And that's blocked from someone in front. Pouliot stick handling in his own zone. Las Vegas plays the puck along the boards. Oh, he steps up with the glove to stop that one. Gets a hold of the puck here in his own end. Takes the feed. Las Vegas gains a hold of possession. Nice zone entry on the left side. Feeds it over. Third period, they have been the better team tonight. And just hitting the final minute now in regulation of this blowout. The Blizzards are in transition. Oh, great move to sidestep the check. Fires it. Big time stop.
This is a fantastic save, James. He's all over it. What I mean by that is he knows exactly where it is and where it's moving. A reason why he can get square to it and make the save.
Puck battle along the boards. This has been a pressure-filled shift here. And there's the whistle as the goaltender will hang on and give his team a breather. A critical face-off looming here. Let's see if they can maintain that offensive momentum.
Well, you know that the defensive side is vulnerable right now with a tired tender. And on the offensive side, you got to recognize that vulnerability and you have to attack the net.
Slides it across. A quick save.
You know the goalie's dialed in when he redirects the puck to the corner.
And as the final seconds tick off the clock, the home fans acknowledging what they just saw tonight. Shot, time ticking away, and he comes up big. And there it is. Well, part of the story in goal tonight, right?
I mean, he was so calm in the net. And when you have a goaltender that's standing on their heads, guess what? You have a ton of confidence to play your game. He was fantastic between the pipes.
What a game, what an atmosphere, and they're not done just yet. Here they come back out onto the ice.
Oh, listen to it in here. I mean, it's electric. They just love what they saw on the ice, and they're getting a salute, a thank you, which has gone down as tradition for this team to be able to say, hey, fans, you've been there all the way.
Thanks so much for taking time out of your schedule to join us tonight. From all of us here at EA Sports, I'm James Cebulski. See ya.